Not sure which power adapter fits your device? You are not alone. Hi, this is my channel. I sell carefully selected and tested power adapters, charging cables, and related accessories. On this channel, I will show you how to choose the right power adapter, understand the basics, and avoid buying the wrong one. Most of the items I offer are new open or lightly used, and some may not have their original packaging, but all items are tested. And I will show their real condition clearly, so you know exactly what you are getting. If you find this helpful, feel free to follow for more. See you next time.